Hello viewers, welcome to another tutorial by Project Maker. In this video, we will explain about set, which is another data structure of STL. A set is a data structure which stores only unique element or data in it. The data can be string, number, character, or anything else. It is similar to mathematical stack that we studied in our school days. So now let's see the practical implementation of stack that we used to study in our schools. So now let's move to the destination folder. So as you can see, I already created a set.cpp file. Now let's open the file. I have already written some basic cpp template and imported the set package because we will be doing set in this video. Now let's start the declaration of set. So set is declared using keyword set, the data type of it, and let's set the name of set will be s. So the set is declared. So next is inserting element in a set. We can insert element in set using insert method. So for that I will just like s.insert 1. So we have inserted 1 in our set. Now let's check whether it stores duplicate values in it or not. So let's say I will just type here 2 times 2, 2 times 3, and let's say 2 times 4. I have inserted 8 elements in set as you can see, but the size of set will be 4 because the set accepts only unique elements and not duplicate elements. So now let's check the size of set first before understanding another concept. So I will just write cout set size is s.size and enter. Now let's run the program. So as you can see, the set of size is 4, though we inserted 8 elements in a set. This means that set accepts only unique elements, which was correct. Now let's move backwards, which is top element. So there is no way in set we can print top element, so I will just write here no way. Deleting an element. So to delete a specific element in set, there is a method called as erase. So we will be using the same. So s.erase and the element which we want to erase. So suppose let's say we want to erase 3 from our set. So I will just write 3 here and also print the size of set which I have already written the code. So let's run the program. So the size set has reduced to 3 as you can see. So element 3 is deleted. So now let's check whether it is really deleted or not using print function. So printing element in set is just like using a normal for loop for auto, which is keyword to print elements from set with iterator I and the name of set which is s. And I will just write cout I and space, after that cout and L for new line. So this was the code to print element in a set. So let's run the code. So as you can see, the 3 has erased from our set and the remaining elements are 1, 2 and 4. That's why the size of set is become 3. Now let's close it and move ahead, and the last function is check if empty. So to check whether set is empty or not, there is the same function which is .empty. So I will just write cout is set empty. It should return 0 because in this case set is not empty. So let's verify it by running the program. So as you can see, it has written 0, which means the set is not empty as there are 3 elements present in our set. This was the basic concept about set that you must know before implementing set data structure. Here comes the end of this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Thanks for watching this video.